Dear friends, coming back with another video regarding people per hour. So we will learn how to make money on people per hour. So there are a lot of online money making websites, as I keep telling you. So people per hour is another great site which will be there for you to make online money. People per hour is a UK based website that enables users to earn money as a freelancer by advertising freelance opportunities for both buyers and sellers. Buyers are those people who require freelancing services and they require someone to do the task for them. Sellers are workers who offer their services in exchange for some income. That's where you come. So sign up to complete your profile first on people per hour. Your profile emphasizes your skills and experience. Add your photos, videos and samples to big buyers. Okay, this will contribute to your main profiling, and by using these photos and videos you can attract more and more purchasers or buyers. The profiles are classified according to the activity per month, so make sure you have highly active profile on people per hour. If you sell your services frequently, then you can rank it high in the search results. So find a job and submit a suggestion. If you find a job that interests you, send them proposal and also bid. Once you start bidding, then the buyers will start looking at your bids and will give you income. You can find bid on 15 projects per jobs per month for free. If you want to go ahead of this, then you can also use all your free proposal credits and apply to them for more projects. If you don't have enough credits available, then you can buy from the people per hour and you can utilize them to fulfill your projects. So guys, this is way people per hour will work and you can generate income from the buyers. Thank you.